Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be taking a look at the Kokie Cosmetics Be Bright Concealer and Color Correctors Light, and it is 6 milliliters or 0.2 fluid ounces. A little bit about this product. It's medium to full coverage. This one is actually in the light color. It's long lasting, easy to blend, and it's highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Some more about this product is that it will don't let dull skin get you down. These creamy concealers and color correctors have you covered, hide imperfections, illuminate dark circles, and even get the redness out with these long-lasting natural finish concealers. These babies even moonlight as a highlighter. Just dab, swipe, and pat it where you need. Plenty of shades and colors to choose, and you'll be bright in no time. So it's 0.6 ounces. Product dimensions are 0.7 inches by 0.7 inches, and it weighs shipping total of 0.16 ounces. It's one of the best-selling personal care for concealers and neutralizers, and from what I've found is that it's really nice. I mean, my hand's pretty tan, so but my eyes aren't that tan. So this is what the concealer looks like, or highlighter if you want to use it as a highlighter. It's super creamy, blends in really nicely, very moisturizing, and you can see it also has a nice sheen to it as well. So this is definitely a contender for my beauty arsenal. I enjoy it already. I've been using under eye products or under eye concealer for a long time, but this has been what I've been using lately, and I really enjoy it. Some facts about it. Let's see. It doesn't say anything about it being animal friendly, but company is made in it's Beltsville, Maryland in the USA. Has all the typical ingredients that would be in a under eye concealer or redness concealer or blemish concealer. Or actually, I should say eye brightener. So this is like I said, it's an illuminating concealer corrector. It's not super expensive. It has a good price point. I think you'd be happy with the price you paid for this because it works, and I like the name of the company, Kokie Professionals. I think the packaging is pretty cute with the black and white. Yeah, I've just been using this on a daily basis. I have really good skin under my eyes. I've been using eye creams since I was 17 years old, so don't have any wrinkles, so I'm a lucky one. I heard when I was young that you should always prevent and not try and reverse. So preventative is the measure, and this has a nice creamy texture to it. It's moisturizing, does exactly what it says it does. It will brighten up your eyes, and when you brighten up your eyes, that brightens up your whole face, and really does make a difference to your face. People will notice that you look more well rested, happier, and just a little makeup trick to add to your arsenal. yeah, Be Bright Kokie Professionals, the light formula, and it is 0.2 fluid ounces. Like I said, it's affordable, easily usable. I'll show you one more time on my hand again. I'm going to put a little bit more so you can see that it is a brightening formula. So my hand is pretty tan, but see, that's already where it was, and if you even add, it's buildable. So if you add even more, you can even brighten up your eye area even more. So give it a try. Don't take my word for it. Try Kokie Professionals Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in light or whatever color you need. Be brighter, and thanks so much for watching.